the way at the top. The other structure right next to that is cecum and stomach and digestive organs. Those are actually really hard to tell unless you have a preserved specimen. Good. Now, what I want you guys to try to identify, folks, what I want you to try to identify is the gills and the heart. Hearts, plural.
I'm sorry, I cannot help you.
Hello.
Let her do some stuff then.
So, folks, here's some of the stuff that we need to do. We have to start to move a little bit quicker. So I really need you to listen to my directions. Okay. So, on mine, I can very clearly see the gills. Here's one. And so, I know that the gills are going to be connected to the heart. So here's one of the hearts. And then the other part of the heart and the systemic heart are sort of hiding underneath here. This little silver and black thing, what is it?
The ink pad?
The ink sac. Yeah. At this point, there are two things I want you guys to try to dissect. Three things I want you to dissect out. Please, everyone listen. Cole, be quiet. Folks, listen now. I want you to cut one of the gills out and plop it into the water to make sure it's actually a gill, because it'll look all feathery and expanded. Then I want you to try to go in to the head area, open that up a little bit, and get the beak out, and then go into the eye, cut the eye open, explore the different parts, and get the lens out. If you look up here on mine at the very bottom, here's the beak, and here there's two lenses that I've dissected out. The lens looks like a tiny, tiny, tiny little plastic ball. That's all it really looks like.
Yep, that's a good one.
Can I see it right now? Aiden, I need to see it right now. Right on. Yeah, I need to see it. Can you move that one so I can see the hook?
You gotta give them. Hey.
It's gonna get messy.
Here, right here.
One gill in the water. Dissect out the beak, and it makes you explore kind of the structures of the mouth and the head, the buccal mass. Yep. The reason why we can dissect these things out is because they're the only hard structures where everything else is soft. Just check it out. Josette. In the mouth.
Hey, that's an artist. That's the thing.
Can I just cut off the head?
No.
Thank you.
How do we get now?
Aiden, let her cut it. Aiden, let her cut it. Oh, she doesn't want to. She wants to do the beak.
Okay, the black part in there is the beak under the mouth. And then you
What's your question?
scissors. You don't want to do that.
How do we get the